You can generate images using ChatGPT for free, and you can see that these images are really awesome. So without wasting any time, let's see how to generate images using ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, this is the interface you usually see. Here you can see the option to create images. You can simply click on it and then enter your prompt. But if you cannot see this option, go to the text box, type / and then click here on picture. You can now enter the prompt for the image that you want to generate. Click enter and let us see what image we get. You can see that our image is ready and it looks really good. You can click on the image and click here and you will find an improved version of your prompt. You can also download the image by clicking here, select a location and then save. Let us try this improved prompt. I forgot to add the / and picture, so I will add it and click enter. Let us wait for the image and you can see we have our second image, and overall it isn't very different from the first, although I think it is slightly better than the first. It has clouds, trees and a different angle. You can tell me in the comments which of these two images do you think is better. So this was how you can generate images using ChatGPT. Talking about the total number of images, with the free version I was able to generate about 3 images per day, and also I have observed that ChatGPT isn't very good with realism or human faces, but it can generate really good animated or fictional images. Also, you don't need to provide very detailed prompts. Even with some basic prompts you can get really good images. If you want to convert these AI generated images into videos like this, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.